So Alibaba now has a new feature. It's called Alibaba Dropshipping, where you can dropship Alibaba products to your Shopify, and Alibaba will take care of everything, including they will ship the item to the customers without giving Alibaba information like address and stuff like that. I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step on how you can start dropshipping from Alibaba to Shopify. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, to start dropshipping from Alibaba to Shopify, you want to go to your Shopify, you want to download the Alibaba app. Okay, that's the first step to start dropshipping from Alibaba to Shopify. Now the first thing you want to click, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click apps and sales channels. I'm also going to show you guys a bonus at the end of this video about how you can promote these products on your Shopify for free. Okay, now you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right, and the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to download Alibaba. It's called Alibaba Dropshipping. Okay, this is a new app. After you search, guys, for Alibaba Dropshipping, you want to download this app, as you can see. Now next thing, guys, you need to do is you want to click on Add App. Okay, that's the first thing you need to do. You want to click on Add App. And after, guys, you click on Add App, you want to click on Install App in the top right, as you can see. And after, guys, you click on Install App here, you just want to log into your Alibaba. Okay, you want to click on Login or Continue, and it will take you directly to Alibaba Dropshipping Center. Here you can find only products that are ready to dropship, and the best thing about this is the quantity. You can there is no problem with quantity. Like any product here can be dropshipped on your Shopify store. I'm also going to show you guys how you can make Alibaba ship the products automatically to your customers and how you can do everything automatically. Okay, now the first thing you want to do, guys, is to find a product that you want to add to your Alibaba. Okay, not to your Shopify, I'm sorry. Now you want to find a product. For example, you just go with these AirPods. You want to click on them, and next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on Add to Import List. Okay, if something is wrong or anything like that, you want to delete the app and you want to do the same steps again. Probably you have something wrong with you didn't pay attention to the tutorial. Now after you open your Alibaba products, you want to click on Add to Import List, as you can see, and you want to click on after you click on Add to Import List, you want to go back to your Alibaba Dropshipping Center, and you want to click Import List in the left, and here you will find the products that you have imported to your Alibaba. Okay, now we want to import this product to our Shopify, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fulfill the orders, how you can make Alibaba do everything for you. Okay, now you want to click on Push to Shopify, as you can see. You want to click on Push to Shopify, and here you want to select which Shopify store you want to push the product to. So for example, I want to push this to this Shopify. You want to click on Push to Store, and this product will be pushed to your Shopify. Okay, now you just want to go to your Shopify, as you can see, and you want to click on you just want to reload the page, and if you click on products, and you will find that exact product here, as you can see. You will find it on your Shopify store. As you can see, this is like a new Shopify account, so that I can show you guys how this whole thing works. So we have successfully imported the product. So what if someone buys this product from us? Now immediately, after someone places an order, after someone buys the product, which I'm going to show you guys how you can promote these products. I'm going to show you what I do to promote products on Shopify. Now after someone places an order, you want to go to the same steps, and you want to click My Products. Okay, and here you will find you want to click on My Orders, and here you will find the list of your orders. If someone buys the product, immediately you will find here that exact product here. You just want to click on Pay here. Currently I don't have any order now nobody places an order for me, but my friend made a second video. We made a second video about how this whole thing works. So if you want to know, guys, how you can click Pay Now, stuff like that, you just want to drop a like on this video and click the video in the screen, and you will be able to learn the other steps on how you can start this business right now. Now if you want to promote, guys, the products for free, you want to go to TikTok and you want to make videos about that specific product. If you can't find that, but like if you don't have that product in your house, you just want to find someone on YouTube who has that exact same product, and you want to start posting videos on TikTok about that product and put the link in bio. Okay, you want to click the video in the description. If you want to learn how you can put a link to your TikTok bio, you want to click the video in the description. I showed you guys how you can put a link to your TikTok bio. So see you guys next video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.